Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to link Shopify to AliExpress. So to do that, you will need to install application to connect those two platforms. And the most popular one is Decers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So first of all, go to your Shopify dashboard, open App Store or Google Play and install Decers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Decers. Now head over to AliExpress and browse for a product that you would like to sell. And with Decers, you can import that product to your Decers dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live. So you can change the title, change pricing, add a description of your item, and even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. And finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Decers to your Shopify store and it instantly appears as a part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Decers automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in a customer's address, and tracks shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory yourself because it's all handled by the supplier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.